Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Autowanderer tool 14-piece cooling system pressure tester. I've done an unboxing video to show you what all is in here, so be sure to go check that out. I have lots of stuff. So for this, we're going to do this on my Toyota Tundra. And so first we need to know which piece to get. And for that I have the manual here. So since I have a Toyota, then it'll either be number 4. Oh yeah, I can actually tell this is going to fit. I just set it because it's the exact same shape as mine. I set it right on top. Number 4 is going to work just fine. So I'm going to set this off a little bit. Now I just got home from work and picking up my kids from school and stuff. So this is too hot. Like I can touch it with my hand, but if I hold it here, it's going to burn my hand. Do not open these when they're hot. So we're going to let this cool down and then we'll finish the video. Alright, so now the cap is cold and this is warm to the touch, but it's not hot. So it's pretty safe to open when this is nice and cool. Go ahead, open it. Here we go. What it does is that springs down to clamp on. So it's got nuts. I'm really having to push there to get that down. So that's good in my opinion. So I just tried a different one. Number 5, which also I believe is also Toyota in here. So this is on here. We're going to pull out the vacuum pump. This has a quick connect. This is a air release. So you just push it. Oh yeah, you just push it down on it. It's been a minute since I've looked at it. And it clicks right on. And then you just pull it up. See how this is up like this? Well, when it goes on, it disappears inside. It just pops down over it and clicks. So now that's on, we're going to build pressure. And 15's right at the green. So we're there. See how it's maintaining, it's not dropping down, it's holding still. That's good. So now we've tested it. This is when you go around and look for leaks and puddles underneath. But this is a fairly new truck, so it's not going to have that. So we're going to let the air out and then disconnect. So just pull straight up. Pull straight up by this part. And that's it. Alright, thanks guys so much for watching D6 Spanky. Be sure to check out d6spanky.com for all the news and information and everything me. And find out what projects I'm working on and stuff. We're going to try and get you into what I'm doing for my new job soon. So, we'll see. Alright, thanks guys. Be sure to click like, comment, share, subscribe.